video. Children, in this video we shall continue with lesson 7, which is all about birds. In our previous video we had discussed about the different parts of a bird's body. Before discussing the next topic, children, I would like you to revise few facts about birds. I have written down few facts about birds. First, birds are the only animals with feathers. They don't have teeth. They chew and they eat with the help of their beak. They have wings to fly. They have thin hollow bones which make their body light and help them to fly. They have very strong muscles attached to their wings, which help them in moving their wings while flying. Children, moving your wings, if we move our hands continuously, we feel a pain. Similarly, birds keep on moving their wings. So, to do so, they need strong muscles so that they don't get tired. They have a boat-shaped body which help them to fly or float in the air. They have tails which help them to change their direction, whether they want to go left or right or straight. The tail helps them to change the direction while flying. Before moving towards the types of feathers, I would like you to know about the movements of the bird's wing. Come children, let's see the book, your textbook. Children, when a bird gets ready to take off or fly, their wings move upwards and backwards. Means एक बार ऊपर, फिर एक बार पीछे की ओर. This movement is called upstroke movement. And when a bird lands somewhere, is getting ready to land somewhere, they use their downstroke movement. In this, the wings move downwards and forward. Means एक बार नीचे और एक बार आगे की ओर. This way, they land on a tree or any other surface. So children, remember, birds move with the help of these two strokes. Upstroke while flying, downstroke while landing. See, it has been so nicely explained in your book, isn't it? So now you know, children, how do birds fly with the help of these two movements, upstroke movement and downstroke movement. Now let's find out the types of feathers they have. Children, birds have three types of feathers. First are flight feathers. Flight feathers are long and flat feathers. They are found in the wings and tail. These feathers help the bird to fly, and that's why they are called flight feathers. Second is down feathers. These feathers are soft and fluffy feathers which help to cover the body of a bird. It keeps the bird's body warm and it helps them to be comfortable during the winters or any harsh weather. Third is the body feather. These feathers form a layer on the down feathers. Body feathers form a layer on top of the down feathers. They cover the body of the bird and give them a shape. So basically, these feathers give shape to a bird's body. So children, with this we shall end the video here, and I hope that you have understood whatever I have taught you today. Children, please go through the videos. Till we meet again in the next video, read your chapter properly and do your assignment number 11. Till then, bye bye. Take care and be safe.